Arizona lawmakers are looking to ban reunification camps. California has already put such a ban in place, and essentially the legislation would ban judges in family court from ordering any sort of reunification therapy if it involves no contact with the preferred parent. At a committee hearing on February 12th, multiple families testified about their experience, about the treatment programs, and the senators expressed shock that Arizona judges are currently ordering such treatment. I've read about these camps. I didn't realize they're still alive and doing great, said Senator Teresa Halibeth from Tuba City. How is this legal? Are you freaking kidding me? Said Senator Anthony Kern from Glendale. Okay, so those of us that live in family court know exactly why these are alive and well, because it's not a black and white issue. There are absolutely parents that alienate children from other parents, and sometimes that can be very, very effective at ruining a child's relationship with their other parent. The problem is that judges get it wrong, and sometimes they don't understand the situation clearly, or the situation's so complicated that none of us understand it clearly. And sometimes the treatment of cutting off contact with the preferred parent and, sweeping children away, sometimes out of state, does way more harm than good. I've also seen judges get into real power struggles where they or a provider has decided that X parent is the problem, and damn it, they're going to make them pay. And they almost dig in their heels to a point where they're no longer looking at, wow, how are my decisions impacting my children? We in Arizona have COBIs, court-appointed behavior interventionists, that I have seen be very, very successful working with some families. They're not successful with all families that are dealing with this alienation dynamic. And sometimes it's not even an alienation dynamic. I've got a client right now whose daughter was refusing to visit him, and it really wasn't mom and it really wasn't dad. It was really the daughter who was having all sorts of separation anxiety. But we've got this COBI involved, and the COBI is working with both parents who are both willing to make the changes and take the suggestions of the therapist, and that both parents are learning better parenting skills and they're getting supports for this daughter. And so in this particular case, the COBI is working out just really, really well. Their job, they're like a therapeutic interventionist, but their job is to get the family to the point where they are actually exercising whatever the parenting plan is in place. It's not appropriate when one parent is abusive. It is appropriate when there's really complex dynamics that are, for whatever reason, making it impossible for each parent to exercise parenting time per the court order with their child. I have someone coming on my podcast here in the next couple weeks who is now an adult and was a victim, a self-proclaimed victim of alienation. The person who's the guest who's coming on my podcast, her name's Madison Wellborn. She's an adult survivor of childhood parental alienation. She was 20 years alienated from her dad between the ages of 8 and 28. And she now has put together a group. So we'll talk to her about this proposed legislation and what she thinks are some solutions to this very complex dynamic.